What's up, everyone? We are back for a little update. We have got quite a lot of shit everywhere, as you can tell. So we've got a few things going on here. First, we are going to get our little dash situation sorted. So let's get to it. Underneath, let me tighten it down.
It's way up in there. Here.
Yeah, I got it. It's way up in there.
Got it.
I think so. Maybe not. The supervisor. It is nice not having to worry about breaking the windshield.
Yeah.
Of course, when I'm not looking at it, it goes straight through. Why was I cursed with beautiful fat fingers? All right, so we're gonna have our little switch panel right here, I think. Maybe. And we're using the stock cluster. That is the plan, yeah. If you want to grab it,
That's what I'm about to do.
and just see what she gonna look like. We'll bend this down. Bend this bottom bit down.
Yeah, so it'll sit underneath the bar.
Okay.
Although it's kind of nice to have that channel.
It is nice.
It'll be good to run our wires
I
in.
was gonna say we can run wires and stuff.
Okay, so let's leave it.
And then this guy will go right here. So we just need to see how this connects. So the wiring harness will lock it off. Okay, so it's in the top. So that's good. That's perfect. Then we'll just trace it around that. I'll just go ahead and trace it. We'll have to get it cut.
Hello, my friends, how are you? Good, okay, good.
A little dash template here. All right, I'm gonna start rolling on this.
Oh, heck yeah, dude. The front yard slip and slide.
Slip and slide.
Dude, our neighbors, we got it set up.
Damn, bro. It's gonna be gorgeous. All right. Hell yeah. Probably get that thing pretty close to it, but I should probably try to get it as close as we can. I'm good. All right. Oh yeah, dude, that looks sexy. Oh baby. right. If you stuck around this long, thank you very much. We have a lot of content coming up soon as we hit the crunch time to get this rally car ready to go. So expect some more videos here soon, and keep following along.